organizaciones sociales para que enfrentemos un solo
Ay, qué re chula esta fiesta, la fiesta charra, fiesta del sol. Charros valientes dan con sus cantos la evocación. Caripeo su festejo que huele a surco y a tradición. Ruedados de la faena más admirada de mi nación. Bonitos del jaripeo y cuando su animación. Yo quiero montarle un toro.
It's day one of our amazing experience in Ciudad de Mexico, which is
City of Mexico.
or also known as Mexico City. This beautiful five-star Marriott Reforma Hotel in downtown Mexico City, and it is gorgeous. And it's Feliz Navidad in Mexico City here. And we are staying tonight in first class.
Valientes dan con sus cantos la evocación. Caripeo su festejo que huele a surco y a tradición. Ruedados de la faena más admirada de mi nación. Bonitos del jaripeo y cuando su animación. Yo quiero montarle un toro para que me mire mi amor. Upaliu, upaliu, upaliu.
These people are upset about something. I have no idea what is going on, but they're squawking about something. What a beautiful place to protest here in Ciudad de Mexico.
What's going on?
What's the big problem? I don't know. Let's see. We've only been in Mexico City for a couple of minutes, and we saw this excitement on the streets. Anyway, we wish them well. Whatever they want, we hope they get it.
That's right.
Un toro para que lo monte Don Limón. Y mientras sus lanzadores corrían la riata con gran primor. Bonitos del jaripeo.
Yeah, this is exciting. We are downtown in the cultural center of Ciudad de Mexico. Look at this. The avenue here is very beautiful. And we're staying here at the Marriott Reforma. It's a big high-rise, and we're up on the top floor. We always ask for the top floor. It never hurts. Yeah, we got the top one. Now, you know, you might have noticed that I kind of bobbled with the camera. This is what you're dealing with when you come to Mexico City. There's big holes in the street, and this is actually a very minor one. There's some, they're like 20, 30 feet deep, and I mean, you seriously can fall inside of them. This one's got an electric wire. And don't touch that! Don't touch it! But when you walk down the streets in Mexico and a lot of countries, be careful. You'll fall into holes. I mean, seriously, they're like 10, 20 feet. You can seriously break a leg or die.
Like in the Philippines.
So keep your eyes open when you're walking down the street, even in the luxury neighborhoods. It's the same. They leave big holes in the sidewalk. Look how beautiful this is over here. This is our neighborhood for the next 10 days. We are excited.
Cuídense que ahí viene la calandria. ¡Sí, señor!
We only walked like 1 block and we found our street food. Street food's just the best. If you sit in the restaurant, you have to sit there, the waiter, you don't know when you're going to get your food. Sometimes it takes a half hour. It's just so simple to go to the street food. And this is very good. The food here, we're not exactly sure what it is. It's like these black tortillas. They're very black, dark. And some kind of a dark meat they're putting inside with cheese. It's like a quesadilla. They fry it up and then they roll it. So we're going to try this black tortilla quesadilla, the street food. It's the best. Yeah, we've just been in Mexico City about 30 minutes. We already found some wonderful street food. Look at this. It's the black tortilla. I don't know. We think this is a beef maybe, huh? And we got the, put some lime on. We don't know what it is, but you know, you just try things. We got a little salsa. The guy that was standing next to us, he said, be careful, the red is very spicy. So it's a good thing he warned us first. But that's the fun of the street food. You get it like in 1 minute. You don't have to sit at the tablecloth restaurant. Sometimes you wait 30 minutes. You don't know when your food is coming. We get this in 1 minute. It's fresh. We saw it cooked right in front of us. Take a taste. That's kind of messy, huh?
I didn't even have the meat.
Is it spicy?
No.
You like it? Oh, it's good, huh? All right.
It's good. Pretty good.
We'd tell you what it is, but we're not sure. I think they probably call it a quesadilla. Although,
It just looks tacos.
yeah, look how black the tortilla is. It's a negro, they call it. The negro. You get blanco or negro. All right. We're off to a very good start with our street food. This is a real treat. We're going to dig in. Well, we've got to do a part 2 on this negros. It's the black enchilada quesadilla. But we're doing part 2 because what?
I like it.
She likes it a lot. Yeah, this is a rave review for our first street food.
Like it.
Yeah, and we had to figure out how to eat it. You got to roll it up into a tight little ball like this. Yeah, this is outstanding. This is our best street food in Mexico. Keep eating.
Keep eating.
We might get another one. Ask for the best, and sometimes you get it. Here, open up the window. I asked for a great view of the city. Oh, yes. I think this qualifies as a grand view of Ciudad de Mexico. Oh, that's going to be very pretty at night, huh?
Yes, of course.
Oh, look at this. It's quite beautiful. Well, we just left our hotel. It's just a block away. It's over there. The Marriott. But look at this. Palm trees. Skyscrapers. Mexico City. Here, I'll go out in the middle of the street here, risking my life to give you this shot. But look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? What a beautiful city. We weren't quite expecting this. But look at this. This is worth it. It's beautiful everywhere. We're just walking down the boulevard here. It's on that side. The other traffic's on this side. But look at the parkland in between. You know, Donald and Rodilla, we are looking for places to live. We are going to live internationally. I think we've started. Last week we were in Madrid, Spain, Portugal for 3 weeks, and a week later we're here. I think it started officially. We are living internationally, overseas. But I think Mexico City might be high on the list. We're not going to plop down in one place. We're going to move from place to place, maybe spend weeks or a month, each place. But we could live here. I think this is on the list, and it's so close to home. We could be home in San Francisco in about 4.5 hours or so on the plane. How nice. Mexico City, Ciudad de Mexico. It's high on the list.
A su potrero. Toro, toro,
Huh?
Hole number 3.
Yes, at least 3. So look at this. Here, this is a medium hole. Yeah, you gotta watch where you're going. Just step down again.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Now that's not the best example. Some of them you go down, you can't see the bottom. I'm serious. When you're walking on the sidewalks here, you've got to watch it. Well, we're getting a very late start on our first day since we arrived here so late in the day. But we're going to do something very offbeat because it's just down the street from our hotel. It's the Ripley, believe it or not, museum. It looks like a castle. And right next door over here is the Museo de Cera, which is the Wax Museum. So this is a little offbeat. These are not the top attractions, but it's just like a half mile from our hotel, and we've enjoyed walking over here, eating the street food. So are you ready? We go to Ripley's or Museo de Cera first?
Museum de Cera first.
Cera first, the wax. Let's go. Vamos. And this is an interesting building too. One's right next door to the other. Let's see the Wax Museum. Oh, look, there's a wax guy right there. It looks just a little bit spooky. Where's the front door? Let's go in. Okay, vámonos.
Okay.
Ya no me cantes cigarra, que acabe tu sonsonete, que tu canto aquí en el alma, como un puñal se me mete, sabiendo.
And the greatest statue of all in the Wax Museum is
pregonando vas tu muerte.
Now these two look like they play for the same team. They've got the same color uniform on. It's Rodilla, and where is he? Where is he? He's up here. LeBron James.
Ay, la la la.
That was major fun.
Amazing.
The Museo de Cera. We thought that would just be like a little minor attraction, but it was incredible fun. We thought it was just going to be some silly thing, but we had a lot of fun. In that last room with the maze and the mirrors, I got to admit, I got really scared. I couldn't find my way out. I was like calling for my wife, where are you? So anyway, we got out alive. That was fun.